Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh with Victorian Greens by Leigh, and I have a project share, and it is using Anna Griffin's Advent calendar. I made 12 videos ahead of this one where I unboxed it, and I showed each day what was the surprise, and I freestyled and I came up with within a second how to make a die, and we got four dies in each box. There's 12 boxes, 12 days, and then I had four pieces of cardstock, little pieces to fit the die, and some string and some embellishments to go with it. And so I'm just going to walk through what I made, and I do not have them in order. I'm just going to show you how cute they turned out. So there's one where it's inlaid, and then there's the back, and it says Holly Jolly, and then here's the string. I did not tie it tight because I don't know what package. Here's one, and you can see the embellishment, and then there's the back. Here's one, and this one says Christmas wishes, holiday wishes, and see how dimensional and how thick that is. So there's a different one. Each tag is different. Here's one where we have it like this, and it's a peekaboo where you have to move it to see who it's going to go to. And there's that tag and the embellishments. So they're all so different. Let's see, here's another one where this was the die that came with it. Oh, this is what I'm coming done. Let's not do that. This is the die that came with it, so I just put it on there and let it be loose and not flopping around, but I can't think of another word. So let's tie that together. And then there is where it's peekaboo, who's at 2, and there is that, and there's the back. Here's another one where this one is 2, 4, and from, and then that's the back, and that's one. A lot of pop dotting. This one's almost the same. It is the same one. And here is that inlaid again, where we changed it up a little bit. One bell is straight up, and one bell is at an angle, and then inlaid it. So here's one. I really like this die set here. It had the tree, it had a little flourish embellishment, which we can use over and over. All the little embellishments, the extra little embellishment, other than the Christmas ornament, like see that one right here? This can be used as card stoppers, as just extra embellishments. So isn't that tree really cute? And here's the back. Let me get more. Here's the other one that goes with this that day. Here is one that's inlaid. Well, it's not inlaid. This red went around that one. And then we had the extra, it's not coming down, I've only got it tied once. And then we had the extra, this piece matched this, and it's double-sided. So there were so many ideas. I think this one's the same one. I need to go and put these on my gifts now. So here is that, and it's double-sided. And then this green matches the green on that. This one was really cute and easy. It looks like a book, doesn't it? So this embellishment's going this direction. They are a little bit different, and that embellishment's going, this embellishment's going up, same embellishment, and this one's going crossways. So can you see the difference? And so there's those two. See the difference and see the thickness of it and all the pop tots. This one is round, so we have 12 different shapes. And then you know how it's got the gift, and I glued that, and So that's that, hanging on a gift. And this one is, this was twisted. Okay, let me untwist it. There we go. So this looks like this, hanging on the gift, or it could look like that, hanging on the gifts. But see how we can reuse these over and over, not just Christmas. And the ornament's really cute. Here's the same one, but just different paper directions. Here is one that we made. All this was making it. Oh, this one had the holly, and so I did it in green, and then I had some red glitter paper of Anna's that I put right here. All this supplies is Anna's. All I had to do is for the extra embellishments that she gave us, which I'm talking about these little floret things, I did have to use my own Anna Griffin metallic cardstock. We have the bow that came with it, so I pulled out the gold, and then here is this, and that's what it looks like. So we have so many different shapes, which is really nice. There's another one of these. This one is just the normal tag that we see all the time, so this one will probably be used a lot. And there's that holly again. Let's see, we have this one where I cut it out and I put this round piece on top of the main, and this one is not glued. Why is it acting? It is. Oh, this. I'm about to tear it up. This is glued on. This is the one. This is the extra piece that she gave us, and then this is floating. So I was about to tear up my own ornament there. There it is again, where we cut that embellishment she gave us and let it just dangle. And there is that one, 'tis the season, and then that's the back, and you gotta say peekaboo. Who is this for? The strings are wanting to come off. Got two more. Here is this one, where I just put that on there. That's pretty. And then there's the tree. So I think I got better as I kept going because, I look at it and then start crafting. All the videos were like 15 to 20 minutes long. And yeah, so I hope you like all these tags and all this. I had fun making it. It was different. I love advent calendars for the surprise and the everyday thing. So hopefully you got some out of it. And if you want to go watch, you got to go open the videos that shows this picture as the front, and then you can make all these tags. Merry Christmas. We are getting so close. What is today? The 13th. So yeah, we're in it now. I hope you have all your Christmas done. I hope you're thinking about what you're going to bake. And I'm getting all my neighbors and everything, their little boxes of treats and items I make and cards and everything. So I'm working. I'm having fun, but I just wanted to show you this, and I had a great time every day crafting with you. Please subscribe. Merry Christmas. Have a blessed day.